So hello friends and welcome to the Flux Studio. In this video we are going to show you how to explode a non-explodable block. So first of all, here is a plan which is not converted into a block. So I'm going to convert it into a block which is non-explodable. So I'm going to select it, hitting B enter, and then here I have unticked this option, allow exploding option. I have unticked it. Now I'm going to give it a name, plan 1. Now you can see that it is converted into the block, but when you will try to explode it, it is not going to explode. So friends, maybe you will see many files which is non-explodable. So what is the trick to explode it and what is the trick to work on it? So you can work on it by double clicking on it or by opening the block editor by BE enter. So after that you can edit this file or you can save the changes. But remember, this is not going to explode by it. So if you want to explode it on your worksheet, you have to do one thing. You have to make a file or a new AutoCAD file with the same units as this file is having. Like I will check the unit of this file. This is in meters, and I have created a file which is also having a unit in meters. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to open the block editor. I'm going to copy it, and after copying it, what I'm going to do, I'm going to paste it in my drawing file. So you can see that this file is automatically exploded. So friends, that's all for this video. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.